Welcome to the tutorial on using the Panchanga-based timekeeping system. At the top of the Panchanga, you will see the Samvatsara mentioned as per Vikram Samvat, Shaka Samvat, and Kali Yuga. Along with this, you will find the Masa, lunar month name, and the corresponding Ritu, Indian season name. Next, the 7 weekdays, Varas, are displayed. Below them, the calendar dates contain detailed information. At the top, indicated by a sun icon, you will find the sunrise and sunset times for the day, based on the specified geographic location. Below, the phase of the moon is displayed, followed by the tithi along with its ending time. On the first tithi of every paksa, the paksa name, Shukla paksa or Krishna paksa, is mentioned. The time mentioned represents the exact duration until which the tithi remains valid. All timings follow the 24-hour clock format. If a time extends into the next day, a plus sign is placed next to it. Below or above the tithi, you will find the names of auspicious events occurring on that day. Use this information about tithis and events for both material and spiritual growth. The nakshatra name is displayed with a star icon. Below that, the names of yoga and karana are provided, along with their respective durations. Thank you for using the world's real timekeeping system. We hope this helps you align with nature's rhythms and live in harmony with Rita. Happy timekeeping!